We understand, I think anyone who's paying attention, we understand that Imran Khan has been denied access to lawyers, he's been denied access to his family, including his two sons who are my nephews, he's been denied access even to doctors, and we understand that he's spent much of his time in prison in solitary confinement and his health is deteriorating rapidly.
Sulaiman and Qasim, the sons of Imran Khan, are British citizens. So I would ask the noble lady to please use her best offices to ensure that facilitation of two sons meeting their father can be done, particularly as he's now receiving the most acute and important medical treatment that he needs on the decision of the courts of Pakistan to ensure that medical attention is also supported by family access of his own two sons.